What's up guys? Today we're doing a crazy model shoot with Puja from Assam. Location 1 Falkland Park, Location 2 KV Paradise, and we ended at Mini Biodiversity Park. Pure green magic. Puja killed every frame, no joke. 3 parks, 1 day, countless memories. Stick around for the final shots, they're insane. Falkland. Not just a park, a breath, a view, a moment above the noise.
Falkland Park, also called Falkland Park, is a popular recreational park in Aizawl, Mizoram. Location World Bank Road, Falkland Road. Opened around 2001 as a public park and city viewpoint. Named after the Falkland Islands because of its high altitude and panoramic views. Known for lush greenery, flower gardens, walking paths, and the best sunset night view of Aizawl City. Entry fee and timings. Entry fee, 50 per person. Timings, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., Monday to Saturday. Falkland Park, Aizawl's adventure hub since 2001. From go-karting and then infinity pool to sunset views of the city, it's where nature, culture, and fun mate.
Welcome to KV Paradise, the Taj Mahal of Mizoram. In 2001, a man lost his beloved wife in a tragic car accident. But he refused to let her memory fade. With every rupee he had, with every ounce of his soul, he built this, a 3-story mausoleum on the hills of Tlang, 45 minutes from Aizawl City. He named it KV Paradise.
From marble memories at KV Paradise, to the wild green of Biodiversity Park. But the real paradise today, it's her. Grace in every step, poetry in every glance.
Mini Biodiversity Park Aizawl's hidden peak where you trek through green hills to touch the sky. Sunsets, stars, and silence. Perfect for model shots with wind, wide landscapes, and golden hour light.
To Puja, thank you, not just for being in front of the camera, but for bringing soul to every frame. From Falkland skies to KV's love, to the hills of Sakawrhmuituai, you made Aizawl look even more beautiful. And to you watching this, thank you for being here, for feeling this journey with us. And to the whole team, thank you for making me feel like paradise. We'll see you again soon.
JB Escape. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. JB Escape. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. JB Escape. Da-da-dun, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. JB Escape.